you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received Magic at Your Door for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Magic at Your Door just arrived. This is for October. I think that's really cute. I guess it's maybe it's a ghost. You can't see him, you just see the arms and the hands and the feet, but that is super cute for this time of year, and I can't wait to see what's going to be inside this month's box, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in and let the magic begin. Let's see. And there we have it, you guys. Oh, so right here on the top it says, "Happy birthday, Tracy, SheCrafty, from your friends at Magic at Your Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all of your wishes will come true." How cute. Thank you. So I have that says happy birthday, and then we have this that goes over some of the pricing and some information. I have everything linked down below, but it does say order directly from our new store. Our new and improved shop is now live, and they have a lot of new things that you can purchase, individual items. You don't have to have a subscription to do so. You can purchase directly from their site if you want individual items as well. So everything will be linked down below. It does say November, December, Christmas update. This year we will be including ornaments and other Christmas related merchandise in November's Magic Box shipments. Ooh. December Magic Box shipments will not include Christmas related products, which that's cool because sometimes we get it at the very end, so then it would kind of be after Christmas or just at Christmas. So I do appreciate that they're going to put Christmas items in November's box and not December's box. I actually start decorating in November. So let me go ahead and remove some of the squigglies that are right on top. And I'm already seeing the item that I really wanted, and I'm so glad to have it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me grab him out of here. Let me grab him out of here. Yes. Yay! And now I have all three. I have Lock, Shock, and Barrel, and I have all of the wallets already. So now this is the last one that I needed to complete those three that I have. And then here's another little thing down in here, and I think that's everything. Yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this guy out because there might be some stuff inside, but here's the backpack, you guys. I'm super excited. This does have a value of $70 because that's how much they are. The back of it have the teal green, which is my favorite color. And again, it does match my wallet. So there's a Nightmare Before Christmas. There's a little pocket here. There's a little pocket here. And then the front should be just a little pocket. There's always like this little styrofoam in there to keep the shape. And then down in the main bag. And you guys, if you do order from them, look into every little nook and cranny is what I believe they call it, because they do stick stuff down inside of things as well. But the inside is all black and white striped. And that's the Little Mermaid one. Okay. I'm super excited. Okay, so now everything is completely out of the backpack, and that's what it looks like on the inside. And again, this matches my wallet, so I'm so excited. They actually sent me the other one that I needed from the Nightmare Before Christmas mystery box that I just opened up, I believe last week. So I'm so glad to now have this guy. So again, there's the first item valued at $70, and I'm super excited. Okay, so now the other item that I said I already know what this is. This is an Ursula Umbrella. This is actually on my wish list. I did receive a really cool Nightmare Before Christmas umbrella, and the other one was all good until I opened it, and it was like a very cheaply made. It was really neat because it changed colors, but once I opened it up, I'm like, this is just so cheap that I lost all interest in it just because of how it was made. But that's the maker, not this box. So I definitely wanted to keep this one on my wish list because it actually has a button to go up and down. So here's what the little case looks like. So there's Ursula, there's Little Mermaid and Flounder. So when you remove that, this says poor unfortunate soul. And then it's going to look like that when you open it up, and it has auto open and close. So let's see. I'm not superstitious about the umbrellas inside, so there we go. Look how cute. So there's Ursula right about there. There we go. How cute. This actually, you guys, I really do like. Does it close by itself too? Yes. And this little clasp thing is not like a really thin chintzy plastic like the other one was. And let me see if I can. And see, the other one I couldn't even like just do this because they were all like bending. I had to literally push these inside, lock them in place before I could actually close it. It was, I'm telling you, that other one was so poorly made. But this, I'm super, super glad that it's definitely made a lot better, and it opens and closes, you guys. So this one is going to go in my car. I'm super excited that I got that. Now I can go in and take this off of my wish list, but I got it. I'm super, super excited. So now we have his World of Evil collectible pin pack. Each pack contains 5 randomly selected pins. That's neat. I've never seen that before. So it looks like there's going to be all different types of pins. So let's get this open and see which 5 pins we got. And they're all just like thrown in there together. Ooh, okay. So here's the first one. Gotta be Corella. I'm not sure who this guy is. We have this one. We have that one, and there's the last one. So that is really cool, and I do collect the Disney pins. This is actually, there's 16 designs total, and it's $27.99 for this package. And it looks like here are like the different ones that would have been inside. Some other, that one wearing a mask? No, that's his beard. I'm like, ooh, they made new ones with masks. Nope, that's just his beard. So this is valued at $27.99 for those 5 pins, which that's really cool because I'm collecting Disney pins. So now I have 5 of them and 1 shot to add. Now we have something down in here. It says includes collectible sticker. Let's see. It looks like it's going to be a lanyard. And this says that it's $9.90. So it's an actual lanyard, which has like an ID badge holder. You can remove this if you don't want this on here. And then there's actually a keychain as well with the villains. And here are some stickers, because it does say includes collectible stickers. So there's the collectible stickers. This is by BioWorld. And there's that. So you do have the buckle. So you have the release. And you can either keep this on or you can take this off and attach it to your keys or whichever you would like. And then it does have the pull strap at the top, the breakaway as well. And here is the image that's on the lanyard. So it's Disney villains on that side. And then this side just has like the apple, the skull. That's really cool. I like that lanyard. So that is really neat. So we have a lanyard. This is again valued at $9.99. And now we have what's in here. Okay, so we actually have September's pin and we got October's pin in time this time. And then there's something in here. So let me show you what's in here and then I'll show you the gold pins. Ooh, what is this? It says tan. What in the world? So tan from the Parks and would be valued at $19.99. There's these little purple balls, there's a skull and some roses, and then there's this big old thing right here. I don't know, this just looks, like I said, this is just gaudy. And I don't know what this is. But there's that, valued at, I guess, $19.99. Now, the pin from last month was September, and it is super, super pretty. It was like Beauty and the Beast theme where it has like the rose. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the rose in the back. That is super, super cute. And then this month, that is super cute. That reminds me of the backpack that glows in the dark. I wonder if that actually glows in the dark. Let me line it up to my lights and see. It does. You guys, it does light up. It glows in the dark. I'll show you. It glows in the dark. That is super cool. It glows in the dark. So we have a glow in the dark pin, and then we have last pin as well. And these you get if you have the gold membership. If you don't have the gold membership, you can actually either purchase these from their store directly, or you can add them to your wish list. So if you don't get the gold, but you do want to get a pin, you can put that in your wish list and they can put it in your purchase. But the gold membership always gets this pin, and I think that's super neat. So there's that makeup from last month and this month's pin right there. Super, super cute. So going over what I got in my box again, we have the backpack, which I'm super excited about. The umbrella that I'm super, super excited about. And then we have a lanyard, we have a necklace, and then we have 5 Disney pins. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that I received? And if you want to know a little bit more about Magic at Your Door, I will let you know right about now. So I will have them linked down below. You can follow the link. If you do sign up with any gold, silver, or bronze, or the magic box or the one-time magical AF box, you can save $10 off your box by using their code MAGICSAVE10, and you can get that $10 off of those. Now the gold membership like I get is $124.99. Silver is $99.99 and bronze is $74.99. Shipping is in addition for any of the boxes or purchases of the boxes that you get. The one-time magical AF box is $299. That's what I started with. Then there's a one-time magic box that's $199.99, which is fully customizable as well. And again, shipping is in addition. I really, really love Magic at Your Door because of their profile. They ask you so many different questions, down to the parks, the theme park rides that you like, down to movies, to the characters, because you might have a favorite movie, but you might not like every character in that movie. And then they have sections where you can put in your own verbiage. If there's something that you would really like to receive in one of your boxes, you can add something, and if they do come across it, then they know that you would like it. If there's things you do not want to see in your box, you can add that too. They just definitely have a really, really good profile for their options, the different questions and all of that. And then they have their wish list. So you can go through and mark the things that you would like on your wish list. But remember, when you do get it, go back in and remove them off your wish list so you don't get it again. So there you have it, you guys. That is everything that I wanted to go over and to show you for this box. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.